Right, Elsie, you've had a few people get in touch with you, haven't you, asking about the halogen oven cooking recipes again?
Yes, certainly have.
And in this day of trying to save a few pennies and not turn the electric cooker on or the gas cooker on, we've gone back to our halogen oven. So I'm cooking a few recipes over the coming weeks, and we're going to see how they turn out in the halogen oven as opposed to in the cooker. And today I've got chicken breasts. We're going to have chicken breasts, one each, and then we're going to make a mix of brown sugar, oregano, garlic, pepper, paprika. You can add salt if you want to. We're going to coat the chicken and pop it into the halogen oven and cook it. And apparently they say that the brown sugar helps trap all of the moisture inside the chicken, so it should be succulent and beautiful. So without further ado, a little bit of oil on it so it all sticks. Here we go. I've already mixed up all of the ingredients. There's no point in you seeing me do that. You can do that yourself. Coat it, and then when we've got them both coated, I'll pop them into the halogen oven. You could have a nice salad with this, potatoes, courgettes, anything would be lovely with this. We're just going to have a little bit of broccoli and cauliflower. We're going to pop it on in the steamer at the same time. As with chicken, be very, very careful, make sure it's really cooked. They recommend 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees centigrade. I always use this trusty device just to check it's cooked all the way through, because this little dial will go up. So just be very careful. Can't really give you a time on this because it really depends on the size of the chicken portions. I anticipate these size will be about 30 minutes. Right, we're ready to go, we're ready to pop them in. Halfway through I'm going to turn them so that they will be that way, like this. So halfway through I will turn them so that the inner side is on the out to make sure it's evenly cooked. Halogen oven's pretty good like that. However, there it is. I've just used the tray at the bottom. I'm going to lay this in on top, and once I put my halogen oven on top there, the heat will bear down on it, and I'm going to do it at 200 degrees. Okay, 20 minutes in, shall we have a little look? Oh, nice. Very nice, it's looking good. So as I said, I'm going to turn them the other way now so that the middle, as you can see, isn't cooking as well as the outside. You'd expect that anyway. Turn it around. There we are. Before I'll get this lovely juice back over them. Oh, look at that. Oh my golly, that looks amazing. I feel really hungry. What about you, Al?
Yep, you're right.
Ready for the taste test soon?
Soon, yeah, hopefully.
There we are. Okay, what I'm going to do is take these out. I'm going to drain this juice off and I'm going to turn them over. I'm draining the juice off because they're quite crunchy on the top. I want to maintain that crunchiness, but they definitely need cooking underneath. So I'm going to turn them over. So I'm going to drain this out of here and turn them over and pop them back in. So, right, here we are then. Looking nice, looking good. Look at those. Yes, they're cooked. I've tested them with my skewer. The juices are running clear. Perfect. Put them on the plate then. Ready for the taste test. Right, the mood is set. The candles are light. The wine is getting to be poured any minute. And now you've got your beer.
Right.
It's going to be the taste test.
This is the one. So we'll dig in here at the side of this. It looks very, very nice. I cut through. Lovely bit of steam coming up from the edge. Beautiful. Let's have a look at this. And it sure is.
Is it moist?
Totally moist. It is beautiful.
Oh, good.
Absolutely love it.
Good.
Right, with my blend could fly.
Alright then, so it's passed the taste test then. Better save Mo a little bit. She's come out, she smelled the food.
It's always around when the dinner's served, isn't it? Never mind. Anyway, all that stuff, you know where to go, usual place, Derrick 33. Thanks for watching, guys. All the best.